guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review slash a demo video which will be over 6 days long. So yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing the most exciting thing that I've been very excited about. It's the Hi Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. Now this was sent over to me by Hi Smile. Actually also me using it for the first time, so I'm gonna do it with you guys on camera for 6 straight days. So this is basically what the kit looks like. It comes with a shade card of your teeth. The 3 syringes have the liquid in it that you're supposed to put inside the mouth guard, and the LED whitens your teeth. They also sent me these 2 toothpaste. It is the morning one, this is the night one, to use and try. Now these 2 I have tried for over 2 months now, because this was sent to me almost in like end of August, so I have been trying them since then. Now before we get into all of this though, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the red button down below so you're subscribed, and also the bell icon to stay notified every time I upload a video. Now a little bit about the toothpaste. Now the key ingredients in the toothpaste is this micro shield wax. Basically it acts as a protective barrier to when you're drinking tea, coffee. They stain your teeth. I am an active tea and a coffee drinker, so which is why my teeth isn't the whitest, and also I don't have like pearly white teeth. Not that I don't brush or they're dirty, it's just like my color of my teeth is naturally on the yellowy side. Now the second thing that it has is aloe vera, which is anti-inflammatory. So any problem in your gum and everything, this kind of takes care of that. The 5 key minerals, which is calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and phosphate. And then also there is absolutely like no harmful chemicals. So it's free of fluoride and SLS. The night one has activated charcoal, basically pulls all the yellowness and yellowy thing off your teeth. It's a great thing, no chemicals. And if you guys want to try this out, I'm going to leave all the products down in the description box below. First, I'm going to match my teeth with the shade card here. So I'm going to take my phone and kind of just do a guesswork of seeing what shade I am. I think I'm a 4. It looks like it's a really funny picture, but I am a 4 on the shade card, which is this one right here. So I have to go lighter. That is the whole point of this. It also gives you a 100% money back guarantee if you don't like it. This one retails for $60, which now give your teeth a good brush, and so you're ready to whiten. I did brush my teeth right now with this. Attach the LED light to the mouth tray. So let's do that. Number 2 is attaching the LED light to the mouth tray. And this is what it looks like. Let's see the third step. So these are the 3 syringes. I'm gonna pop one out like this. I'm gonna put it on the bottom and the top tray like that. Now the 4th one is pop it in, hit the button, and wait for 10 minutes. Okay. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is spread out evenly so that my one teeth is not whiter than the other. This was my first day. Nothing gets on this one, but you do need to clean this one, and yeah. These 2, my teeth is between 4 and 5, so this is literally the first application, and I don't see much of a difference. I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow when I do it as well and see what my teeth looks like on the 6th day. I still feel like 4 or 5. I feel like my bottom ones are 5, my top ones are 4. Okay, so this is my day 2. Excuse my towel, I'm just getting ready to head out, but not without my LED quick teeth whitening. Is day 2. I'm gonna insert the first day picture. This is only day 2. I see a significant difference. So yeah, let's wait for day 3, 4, 5, 6. My teeth on day 5, so let's see them. This is what they look like. I don't know, sorry, I just look really scary, but I could care less right now. So, see? I think I can tell the difference. I don't know. If you guys can, just let me know in the comments down below if you can really see the difference from the picture that actually insert or that you guys have seen all days. My teeth, I think they're whiter for sure. We have come to the end of this video. I have done my 6th day of trial of me using the Whitening Kit, and I am impressed. I have put it on my Instagram stories every single day. A lot of you did ask me about it, if it's actually working or if is it just a gimmick. When I started this in the beginning, I will post a picture. I was around like shade 5, and I feel now I am a shade 3. So yeah, like literally in 6 days I went like 1 to 2 shades lighter. It's basically as good as doing going to a dentist and getting scaling done. So I am a tea and a coffee drinker, so yes, I do have yellow teeth, but this for $60 I think is amazing. They at the moment have a 30% sale going on, so if you are interested in buying, you could probably, it's like the best time to pick it up as well. And I'm really happy with the way like my teeth looks and it feels. Yeah, I have seen a difference in my teeth. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you see a difference from me recording it in the beginning to now. I definitely see a difference for sure. The best part I love about this is that it does not make your teeth, it doesn't make your teeth like super sensitive to hot and cold stuff, which is the best. Okay, so this was the end of my 6th day of me trying the teeth whitening for you guys in front of camera. So I have put all the 6 days in. Of course, I'm gonna fast forward them because I'm sure you don't want to see me sit 10 minutes with that thing in my mouth boring you guys to death. So yeah, I tried to keep the video short as possible, but giving all the information out. You guys, this is the new advanced formula with 0 sensitivity. Like I can't even say like your teeth is even 1% sensitive to anything after using it. Nope, it's really good. It's really good. And I never would like review or like suggest you guys to like buy anything that I have not tried and liked. Like if I don't like something, I won't even put it up here, or I'll tell you guys that I don't like it. So yeah, this is something I've tried with you guys in front of the camera in my stories. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna link the handle down below. You guys know that I have done it on my stories as well. I have done a before picture and after picture, and you guys see me talk right now and I can see brighter teeth. So yeah, of course I feel like if you're shade card 10 you won't go to 1, but I feel like there is definitely 2 shade difference, and I love that. Just don't forget to check the link description box down below in this video to go to their direct link of their website. And yes, they don't sell on Amazon, so they do just sell it from their own website. That's all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!